this session, we will check how we can use for each in Mule 4. Say we have a JSON as the payload, which consists of an array of different objects. And our objective is to write each object in the array as a separate file. So if my JSON payload have an array of 100 objects, then my intention is to create 100 files, with each file having only the single object. So let us check how our JSON is going to look like. So this is the JSON, and it consists of a array with 3 objects, and each object have some key value pair. Let me create a Mule flow for this. Okay, so listener component, then for each block, inside the for each transfer message component, then a write, then a logger component. Okay, so let us configure each of the component. Configuration, we will keep it as default. Path, I can give it as for each. So we will be sending a post request to this endpoint, and in the body we will be sending the JSON. So it is a, so we need to mention the MIME type. It is a application JSON. Okay, so that's it for each. We have these many settings in the for each. Collection is basically the feed for the for each, which means that in our case we have 3 objects in an array, right? So it will be coming in the payload since it is a post request, right? Counter variable. This is basically when the first object is being processed, the counter variable will be 1. Second object being processed, counter variable will be 2, like that. So that value will be stored in this particular variable. So we will print this in the logger. Okay. So going to the next one, right? So we will be writing this locally. So I can give some location in my local. Okay. So we need to give the file name in the path. So we can use now function for this one. Let us check that, which one we can use. Yeah, so I think this should be good for us because we need 3 file names, and if it is nanoseconds, I think that will be good one. So we will use this particular function. We can change it accordingly based on our requirement, right? So then we will put .csv as the extension. Okay, I think we should be good here. Then in the logger, I'll print the counter. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So transform message component, we have to make this as CSV and put this as payload. Okay. So we are going to give a post request, and this for each endpoint, and this has the body as the JSON. Okay, let us send this and check how this is going to work. We can see the response back. Let us go to that location. So right in the name, these are the recent files. Let us check how this is formed. Okay, so we can see it is a CSV file, so it has a header and the value, right? Okay, so this is working as expected. Let us check the logs as well. If you see here, we can see the first counter, when the first object is being processed, it is giving the value 1, like that, 2, 3. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Please let me know any suggestion about the session in the comments. And if you would like me to include any topic in Mule 4, please let me know in comments. Thank you.